Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code Vision. Want to become a web developer? Here's a simple roadmap to guide you. Step 1. Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Start with the basics. HTML for structure, CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. These are the foundation of every website. Step 2. Pick a front-end framework. Once you master JavaScript, learn a front-end framework like React, Vue, or Angular. These make development faster and easier. Step 3. Learn backend development. For dynamic websites, learn backend technologies like Node.js, Python, Django Flask, or PHP. These help manage databases and user interactions. Step 4. Database and APIs. Learn databases like MySQL or MongoDB and understand REST APIs and GraphQL to connect your front-end and back-end. Step 5. Deployment and version control. Finally, learn Git and GitHub for version control and deploy your websites using platforms like Netlify, Vercel, or AWS. Follow this roadmap and you'll become a web developer. Keep learning and keep coding. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Code Vision.